Here I have TCL Tab 10S, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have volume button function. You can set it to shutter, to zoom, or to just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see now, with using volume keys, I can zoom in or zoom out. Nice, yeah? Very useful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.